Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to create a USB recovery drive. If you are using Windows 10 or Windows 11 and you want to create a USB recovery drive, so let's see how can do that. So the very first thing, you just have to insert a USB drive in your PC, and once you have done, you have to simply go to Start and here just search for recovery drive. Once you search, you might see recovery drive here. Just click open, then click yes. Now you must see this type interface. You have to check this box, backup system files to the recovery drive. Once you have done, just click next there. Now you have to wait for some moments until it's loading. So after the loading, you must see this type interface. You have to select the USB flash drive. So I have selected this one. Now click on next. And here you have to click create option. Here's the create recovery drive. Everything on the drive will be deleted. So if you have some personal files on your drive, so you have to take a backup of them and then click on create. So it will complete this loading to creating the recovery drive, and once it's completed, your recovery drive will be created. So in this way, you can easily create a USB recovery drive using Windows 11 or 10. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.